Okay, yes. Okay. If f of x equals rational function, this rational function, we are to identify the horizontal asymptote, vertical asymptote, slant, or whole, which we also call removable discontinuity. So also know that vertical asymptote is also called non-removable discontinuity. So for you to get the horizontal asymptotes, you need to compare the degree of the highest degree of the numerator and highest degree of the denominator. So if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, then we'll be talking about slant asymptotes. But if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, then your horizontal asymptote is going to be 0. So what I will just say, I'll say based on this, I'll say degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Therefore, my horizontal asymptote is 0. So I am done with horizontal asymptote. So I will now go for my vertical asymptote, which is the denominator, or I will factor it first. So I have x squared. Now I will do vertical asymptotes. S squared plus x minus 6. So if I factor this, I'll have x and x, right? So which are the two numbers when I multiply, I get negative 6, and when I add them, I get plus 1. So it's going to be plus 3 minus 2. So we now equate them to 0, okay? So we now say that x equals negative 3 and x equals 2. All right, so my vertical asymptote is at x equals negative 3 and x equals 2. So this is my vertical asymptote. Since we have horizontal asymptotes, we cannot have slant asymptotes. So for whole, you say 2x minus 5 out of the factor, which is x plus 3, x minus 2. So if we can cancel anything between the numerator and denominator, we say there is whole. Okay, but in our next video, you are going to see a question where you discover your whole. But in this case, we cannot cancel anything. So our whole is none. We don't have whole. So none. All right. So no whole here or any removable discontinuity.